So welcome back to Factor 85 Labs. Today we're going to do something a little different. We need to shuffle some kids around. We need to move the twins out of the cribs and into some bigger beds. Instead of buying a set of toddler beds, we're just going to move them into this set of twin beds. So I'm going to build some rails to go on the sides of the beds so they don't fall out. This bed has a little rail on it right here. And this is a set of bunk beds, so this was just designed to keep people from falling out of the top bunk. This doesn't really fit very well, kind of wobbly, doesn't stay where it should. So I'm going to use this design for rails, and I'm going to build 2 long rails to go the full length of the far side of the beds so nobody gets stuck between the bed and the wall, and 2 short rails for this side of the bed just to keep the kids from rolling out of bed in the middle of the night. Got all the stuff I need, so let's get out to the garage, put these together. Here is my very detailed and professional measurements and diagram of what I'm building. It seems easy enough already. So I'm just using some pine for this project. The beds, I think, are made of oak, so the pine is not going to match exactly, but I can stain it to match close to the same color. It was a lot cheaper, and I don't need these to last forever. These are just going to be on the beds for a year or 2 until the kids stop falling out of bed. So here I've got the last of the pieces I need. I'm going to get the saw outside, get it set up, and get everything cut so we can start putting together the rest of these rails. So I've got all the pieces cut to do the 2 longer rails, and I need to go back and get more wood to do the shorter rails. But I can start with the long ones. Okay, I've got all of these rails put together. The 2 short ones back there, all glued and clamped up. These 2 are dried, and I've started doing some other work on them. I've just got a few more steps to do. They still need to be sanded a little bit to knock off any rough spots, and then get them ready to be finished. Now, these rails are going to slide over the side of the bed frame, but the gap between these isn't quite wide enough. So I need to just make a little more room in here so that these will fit over the side of the bed. Got a mask beard. Got these things sanded, smoothed up. So last step is to get some wood finish on there. Got some golden oak stain. Should match the color of the bed pretty well. So just got to get a couple coats of this on there and should be done. Rails all done, so let's get this old rattly rail off. Let's put the new rails on there. Got my pajama pants on so I can try this thing out. And there we go. There's the rails all finished up, installed on the bed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos from Factory 85 Labs, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.